Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest reviews and insightful product analyses. Today, we're diving into the world of swimming goggles. Specifically focusing on what I consider the best swim goggles. For women available in the market, the Speedo Unisex-Adult swim goggles mirrored Vanquisher 2.0. If you're a woman who loves swimming, whether it's for leisure or competition, having the right pair of goggles is essential. And let me tell you, the Speedo Vanquisher 2.0 is an absolute game-changer. What makes these goggles stand out? Let's break it down. Firstly, they come with an anti-fog coating, ensuring crystal-clear vision even during intense swimming sessions. No more frustrating moments of having to constantly adjust your goggles or deal with foggy lenses. Plus, these goggles provide maximum UV protection, shielding your eyes from harmful sun rays. Whether you're swimming outdoors or indoors, you can trust that your eyes are well protected. Now, let's talk about the design. The Speedo Vanquisher 2.0 features a mirrored lens, which not only looks sleek but also helps reduce glare, making them ideal for outdoor use. And with a wide panoramic lens, you get an extended view of your surroundings, giving you that extra edge in the water. But what really sets these goggles apart is their fit and comfort. The soft silicone seals and adjustable head strap ensure a snug yet comfortable fit, allowing you to focus on your performance without any distractions. Whether you're a casual swimmer or a competitive athlete, the Speedo Vanquisher 2.0 is a must-have accessory. With its durability, functionality, and stylish design, it's no wonder why so many swimmers swear by these goggles. And there you have it, folks, the Speedo Unisex-Adult swim goggles mirrored Vanquisher 2.0, the best swim goggles for women on the market. If you're ready to take your swimming experience to the next level, be sure to check them out. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and until next time, happy swimming!